The Ninja Foodi is a hybrid kitchen appliance that combines the pressure cooking technology of a traditional instant pot with the air frying capabilities of a standalone air fryer. It's part of the Ninja Foodi family, which is known for its innovative and space saving designs, delivering multiple cooking functions in one unit. The Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer is designed to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, and even bake, while also allowing you to air fry, crisp, and dehydrate. With this one machine, you can prepare meals faster, more efficiently, and with less mess. Whether you're cooking a tender roast, crispy chicken wings, or healthy roasted vegetables, the Ninja Foodi can do it all. Let's take a closer look at what makes it so special. Best features of the Ninja Foodi pressure. Cooker and air fryer 1. 2-in-1. Cooking functions, pressure cooker and air fryer. One of the standout features of the Ninja Foodi is its 2-in-1 design. It combines the power of a pressure cooker and an air fryer, which means you can use the same appliance to quickly cook a wide variety of dishes. Pressure cooking. Whether you're making stews, soups, or cooking meat from frozen, the pressure cooking function significantly reduces cook times, allowing you to prepare dishes in a fraction of the time it would take with conventional methods. Air frying. After pressure cooking your meal, the air fryer lid allows you to crisp up your food without needing a separate air fryer. This is perfect for crisping up chicken, French fries, or even creating a golden, crispy layer on top of casseroles or roasted vegetables. 2. TenderCrisp technology. The TenderCrisp technology is Ninja's proprietary cooking method that combines pressure cooking and air frying to give you both the benefits of quick cooking and crispy results. This is especially useful for dishes like crispy chicken wings, ribs, and even roasted potatoes, all of which come out tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. 3. Multiple cooking functions. The Ninja Foodi does more than just pressure cook and air fry. With several cooking options, this machine can handle a variety of recipes. Pressure cook. For fast cooking of tough cuts of meat, stews, and soups. Air crisp. For air frying, baking, roasting, and crisping. Slow cook. For recipes that benefit from long, slow cooking like braised meats or slow-cooked stews. Bake. You can bake cakes, brownies, and other baked goods right in the pot. Dehydrate. Great for making dried fruit, jerky, or other snacks. Steam. Ideal for delicate foods like fish or vegetables that need gentle cooking. With these multiple settings, the Ninja Foodi is truly a versatile kitchen tool, allowing you to experiment with a wide variety of cooking methods without needing separate appliances for each one. 4. Large capacity. The 6.5-quart capacity of the Ninja Foodi is perfect for families or anyone who enjoys meal prepping. It's large enough to make a full meal for 4 to 6 people, yet compact enough to fit on most kitchen counters. The ceramic-coated non-stick pot is durable and easy to clean, while the crisping basket is great for air frying large batches of food. 5. Easy-to-use digital control panel. The Ninja Foodi features an intuitive, easy-to-read digital control panel that lets you quickly switch between settings and adjust cook times. Whether you're pressure cooking or air frying, the controls are simple and user-friendly, making it ideal for both beginners and more experienced cooks. 6. Safety features. The Ninja Foodi is designed with multiple safety features to give you peace of mind while cooking. The lid lock ensures that the pressure cooker lid stays securely in place while cooking under pressure, and the vent valve releases steam safely. Price. While it's a highly versatile kitchen appliance, the Ninja Foodi is priced higher than some single-function devices, especially when compared to standalone pressure cookers or air fryers. Overall, the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer is an incredibly versatile, time-saving, and efficient appliance that can handle a wide variety of cooking tasks. Its large capacity, multiple cooking functions, and easy-to-use design make it ideal for everything from weeknight dinners to meal prepping and even special occasions. While it does come with a higher price tag and a larger footprint, the Ninja Foodi is a great investment for those who want to simplify their cooking process and consolidate multiple appliances into one. If you love experimenting with different cooking methods and enjoy the convenience of having a one-stop kitchen solution, the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and air fryer could be a game changer for you. Like what you just watched? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for engaging articles, exclusive content, and the latest updates.